Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can remove your created custom work item types in the plain project management application. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we're inside that workspace and that project here inside my workspace, and we see these work items here. So if you'd like to create a new work item, guys, simply click into this button or into this plus button here, and here to the right you will be given the opportunity to select one of your work item types. Now I created this one here for demonstration purposes, subtask. It is a custom work item type. I can create one, for example, with its own properties. So if you'd like to remove these because you don't use these or don't need them anymore, guys, navigate to your project settings in the bottom left corner. Here navigate to projects to the left, select work item types, and here you see all work item types within your project. So what you want to do is simply either toggle it off to disable it, or if you'd like to remove it, click on these three dots here and select delete, confirm, and that's it guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.